I'm Tanya Mosley, and I am one of the CIST instructors here at Chattahoochee Technical College. The first time I remember actually wanting to do something within programming or something within the web development world was when I first started in 2004 working at Georgia State University. There was this guy who was kind of like a mentor to me, and he was in charge of everything that had to do with our web pages. And he taught me quite a lot about, creating web pages. And from then on, I just soaked up everything I could and thought, this is a cool, field I would love to be in. So I created one of their first web pages for their Office of Scheduling. What I love about the field of computer information systems and technology is that it's so fast. There's a lot of things you can do in it. You don't have to pigeonhole yourself in one area. So when I started, first it was with the interest of anything that had to do with web design or web development. And then I decided that I wanted to learn more about the security part of it. I wanted to learn about the coding part of it. I saw myself basically setting myself up to be a consultant if I wanted to. So I graduated with a degree from Kennesaw State in information systems, a master's degree. And because it was a master's degree, it afforded me the opportunity to touch on lots of different areas. And that's how I kind of like got myself deeper into this field and found myself thinking about my next step, which eventually got me to teaching. Our lab spaces have all of the applications that we use to make sure the students are successful and equipped with the tools that they need to do well in their program. And also it exposes them to these tools that they will probably find in their workplaces if they were to start working at any job. They would find similar tools, and so they'll be a little bit familiar with that. In UX design, collaboration is key. Programming you can do in silos, but you still collaborate to a certain extent because you have to get the information for what you're supposed to do in the program from users or from stakeholders and things like that. So having that space set up in that way is also good. Students should definitely be comfortable with using computers. I know some students think they like computers because they play games and they're like, oh, I'm good at a game, but it's a completely different thing. So just having that basic knowledge about simple computer concepts, which by the time they take our course, they should have that. But in some cases, you find that people need a little brushing up. Just really stay on top of your work. Like, we provide clear guidelines and we provide a schedule letting you know every week what is going to be due. So you have to stay on top of that. Make sure you're reading all the information we're giving you, all the announcements and all the emails. I am here to help you be a successful student. So you can reach me at any time by email. I'm always responsive. I answer emails even when I'm not supposed to. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you and I can't wait to see you in class. Happy learning.